So now in this video we'll talk about the pages and panels. That's all about the design related. So after doing that all activities, now we will improve the look of our app. So you can see that basically that is the all native things. So we'll try to improve. So in our applications we will use the two controls from SAP.m, and this is that pages and panel. So let's start in that view, in that app view, because app view is the main for the designing purpose, and that is the outlook. So now what we will do, we will first we can keep the button as it is, but let's try with this button. So that is, everything will come from SAP.m, so you have to make sure that is included here. And inside that MBK view panel, we will add the new app. So apps here, inside that app we'll call the pages. So that is the page. Inside the page we will call the page title. Page title. This title will come from the I18 properties. So here what we'll do, we'll just make I18 and then home page title. So as we mentioned here, if I just save, and now it will not, later we'll add that description. So inside that page, that is the end of that page, so we will use the content. So is the content, we will use the panel. So in that panel we can use that header text. So we can use here header text. Again it will come from the I18n. So I18n, it is hello panel title. So here again we can use that is the panel. We can put that panel inside, and here we can use another content, that is the end. Okay, so here we'll use the content. So inside that content actually we'll call the button, and we'll call the input box here. So now if we refresh, you can see that it's already divided into the two parts, and that is the home text and another is the hello panel. So what we have to do, we have to create these two variables inside that properties. So if we go properties, so here actually that is all about the panel. It's on button. So there are, one is home page title and another is hello panel title. So home page title, that what tutorial we are following from that official tutorial, that is like through, just save. You can see that is already changed, and here actually still there is no value. We can say like save and refresh. You can see that it's just coming here. So so basically that is the very little part about the pages and panel. So it is just how you can add the panel. You can divide it in the different part. So that's it, all that. And later we will also talk about the shell control as container. Thank you.